In our red shirt,
Yeah.
it's kind of twinning, but it was a coincidence.
Yeah.
You
Yeah, report to work. I would have smoke up in the same color
Yeah.
shirt.
So I don't know. People are wearing them colours now for a reason, and the reason is for the World Cup.
I mean, I see be a flag out down my yard, you know, be a flag.
All sort of flag. We never know so much nation. You know, so we are out of many one people. We never know so much nation in Jamaica.
Yeah, but World Cup time,
Yeah,
the time
man,
to
we see
see
whole
it,
heap of
man.
German, we see Brazilian, Argentine,
Argentina.
we see whole heap of French. You don't know.
Yeah.
I them team that people are called. People call England too.
We'd have a fold up my Dutch flag, you know, because they're not even there World Cup this year.
So condolences to the Netherlands, the Italians, certain other big teams that never make the World Cup.
Have you ever,
Sweden,
yeah,
Sweden gone to the World Cup, you know.
I ever see a time when World Cup play and the Italian did them.
Italy, you know, will win so much
Weird.
time. Boy,
Weird.
I tell you.
But I say, God, the world will grow. And if you not run with it, man, them will pass you. Because some little nation are running hard all Egypt. Them
Yeah,
not
man.
laugh with you know.
Yeah, man. So
And
that
I
was
mean,
so I go on. World Cup season start. You don't know this moves that me I say. We're gonna find out from the people them who them I bring for the World Cup. 32 teams there. You don't know all the Jamaicans love Brazil, but they have other teams in the World Cup. We're gonna just find out from the people them who are gonna win the World Cup this year. 2018 World Cup. Here we go on.
I know say Portugal may bring that area always still. Portugal because Portugal is a very good side, you know, and true you don't know Christian Mobala, so you can't leave him out, no time, not at all.
Teacher man, Germany man, a big side man.
When since you start bring Germany?
Well, a long time I bring Germany, you know, not from the last World Cup. You see me? Yeah, but last World Cup I'm more confident in them and the worst of that one I know. You hear that? Yeah, we love the defenders, so I got. Cause it's a ball game, I defending, me love the defending position. That make you know want lose. Me no love lose, so me love play defend my thing. So me respect the ball of them. More than them ball of them. Close a good ball of them.
Oh, Dingo scam them, you know.
Which side they bring for the World Cup, Bingo?
Argentina straight, man. Argentina win a World Cup, yeah. Messi are the best baller in the world. Them for know that.
When since you start bring Argentina?
Me I bring Argentina from 86. Yeah. Can't forget it. Never forget it. Yeah. Argentina straight.
Which two team you think are going to meet in the finals? Two team you think are going to meet in the finals?
Argentina, man. And Brazil. Argentina and Brazil.
Kevin, now, which side do you think will win the World Cup?
Germany, of course.
Germany?
But them are the strongest soldier. You see me? They want to win.
Who you think them are going to meet in the final?
I believe maybe Brazil still, maybe Brazil.
How long you bring Germany?
2 years now.
Ellis done.
Which side do you bring for the World Cup?
Straight Brazil forever.
Brazil.
Straight Brazil.
How long you bring Brazil?
I bring Brazil from a no football.
A long time that. Which side do you think are going to have the final with Brazil?
Which side? I'm going to tell you this. The only way I can lift the cup, I have to beat Germany. So,
That's it, yeah.
so Germany are the side I go final with.
Which baller your baller?
Neymar right now, man, because my baller them stop playing now, you know.
Okay. So which baller was your baller?
No, say the great R9 Ronaldo, you know. Great R9, because O2, you know, say two the general school and a Germany will take the cup from. Same way O2.
Joggis my name, you know. Joggis my name.
Yeah, which flag I sell the most right now?
Right, I know, a Brazil flag shot in a dog. You hear that? Yeah. If you know a Brazil flag, you don't make no money.
Yeah, which flag run close to Brazil?
You know, Germany and Argentina. You get me? them three sides there on the thing right now.
What do you think about the World Cup? Or who you think will win the World Cup?
Right now, winner, Brazil, I say I win, you know. Because we have come back for it wicked in that year right now, yeah.
Who and Brazil are got the final?
In our business, I who want to come at the final with we, you know, but we are going to there wait.
Boxer. Yeah, Shane, Dirty Shane Bailey.
So I mean, even if I ask you, how long you bring Brazil?
From I got school, man. From Peledim days. I just Brazil me say all the way. I run out to Brazil every day. Me left me yard with the man time. I carry it back home at evening time. Come out with it, man. If you check anywhere on the highway coming in to town from Central Village, every morning me have my flag on my truck. I come in. Every morning, I left my flag. From the World Cup in kick, me in I kick too.
Which side do you think I can meet Brazil at the final?
At the final. You know, so I want to bring no other side more than say. You see the same side where we mash up. You want to mash him up for early, so we know him look free my final. But me last say, boy, Argentina a good side. So me going to look for Argentina the only side me last say, boy, yeah. We da come a final, come meet Brazil. As an outstanding side from back then.
So Neymar right here?
Yeah, my biggest thing. The biggest thing in the world.
So the Neymar jersey them myself?
Yeah, them gone. You see me have one now?
Last one?
No, for now. Just for now. Yeah, but on the next half an hour more coming. I just saw it keep on coming. And the biggest thing in the world. Yeah, my Brazil have a thing. All sitting them there. Where am I go with them all sitting there? You know, use them color. Oh, what earth in the pan? Look for the flag. Look for the flag. What color you see? Why with that now? You see what color the flag? The earth, the
me, Manayard, aka Manayard, on the road, it's a breakfast street, yeah. And in England, me say straight, non-stop. I carry no other team but England. Straight, with able to cut there.
Yeah, how long you bring England?
Years, long time. Whole heap of years. And England, me say, come to deliver England, so I have to support England. England, me say to the world.
Which baller here baller up on England side?
Every one of them. Every baller my baller. Every baller my baller. From this Sterling go right down. Every baller my baller. Me not talk about Sterling because I know people are talking about Sterling through Sterling and the big thing for it, but every baller my baller. You hear that? Me not talk about just Sterling alone. The whole England ball is a different tactics of football England are come with. And like the 1960 and the 1970, a new team and a new mind of football. And them youth are young and hungry. Datmahseh.